2 years, he is ready, willing, and anxious to finally tell his story to people who will give him a fair shake.
Day 3 of the trial of former Las Cruces police officer Felipe Hernandez, accused of second-degree murder for shooting and killing a 45-year-old woman back in October of 2023. Thanks for watching KTSM 9 News Now. I'm Christina Rada. Estella has the day off. Today, Hernandez took the stand for the very first time, sharing his account of what happened that night. KTSM 9 News reporter Diana Castillo has been following all of the court proceedings closely. She joins us live with the very latest. Diana.
Well, Christina, today was the first time that jurors heard directly from former LCPD officer Felipe Hernandez. Now, he talked about his background, his training, and the moments leading up to the shooting, sharing that he opened fire because he was in fear of his life. Now, the shooting happened in the pre-dawn hours of October 3rd, 2023. Hernandez testified that he was on his police bike patrolling the area when he arrived at a housing complex on Burley Court. Now, he said he approached a vehicle where 45-year-old Teresa Gomez was sitting with a passenger identified as Jesus Garcia. Now, Hernandez testified that he recognized Garcia from previous encounters and shined his flashlight inside, not knowing if a crime had been committed.
You saw a handgun. Where was that when you saw it?
It was in his waistband. As he's sitting down, it was on his left side.
Is that something you could see before you approached the vehicle?
That is correct.
Is that something you could see with your light?
Yes. In the video, if you can recall, I held my light on that position the whole time.
Now, Hernandez later testified that the weapons were actually paintball guns. Now, he said he ordered Gomez to step out of the car and that after she initially refused, she eventually complied. Now, at one point, he allowed her back inside the vehicle while he wrote a warrant for Garcia. Hernandez said that's when Gomez tried to drive away, hitting him with the car. Now, he showed the jury where he was struck, adding that he was scared for his life and that when he fired 3 times, he intended to hit Gomez. Now, during cross-examination, prosecutors asked Hernandez if he provided life-saving measures to Gomez, which he said he did not because he was still in a state of shock. Now, coming up at 6, you'll hear more from Hernandez himself about the events leading up to the shooting. You'll also hear why he chose to fire his gun instead of his taser. But for now, in Las Cruces, Diana Castillo, KTSM 9 News.